Hello people, are you ready to experience an Azerbaijani massage? It's Hammam. Obviously I've done a few in Turkey and the Azerbaijani culture is quite similar to the Turkish culture. So don't really know what to expect, but let's have it. So people, we're not quite in the city centre, we're just outside, like 40 minutes walk away. We're not going to go to the city centre, so we're going to go to a really local hammam today. You've got the Araz supermarket, quite a posh area I think. Over there we've got some doner kebabs, and then in my hand right now you can see we have these things called beryashkis, I think. I've got two of them. They're actually originally from Russia, but they're pretty nice. Some sort of bread thing with eggs inside. Two of these cost one manat, about 45p. Enjoyable. So there's 3 countries in the Caucasus region, okay? Now Azerbaijan is definitely the most expensive. For example, this, it's lovely, it's big, but it was actually £3.40. Like, I think I'm in the posh district, to be honest. That's where I'm staying, just by chance. But this hammam where I'm going is definitely not too posh. I've seen posh hammams here in the centre of Baku, but I'm hoping this one will be pretty authentic, local and cheap. So this is how it looks. It's quite posh behind me, but when you get into these back streets it changes quite a lot. So people, I've just come off the main street. There's actually quite a lot of nice cars there and things like that, so I would say that's definitely the posh end of Baku, or just a posh zone. Now I'm sort of in the zone where I want to be. I know the hammam's somewhere here, I don't exactly know where, but we're going to find it. Actually, this is the main street again, so I need to turn around. Oh, on another note, I don't know why it's so busy today. Like, literally, look at all these cars, there's traffic, and this is just some random road, not even the city centre. The schools are finishing at this time today. Obviously it's like 2 PM, but I don't know why there's so much traffic. Surely this traffic is just not for the schools. Oh. So I know more or less where we are, because down there you can see we've got this mosque. So that gives me some sort of reference point. And I remember walking down this street literally like 2 weeks ago and seeing a hammam on the right hand side. And it's not here. And I know it's close to this mosque, so it might be on the next street or something like that. And there we go people, I can see it. It's staring at me from a mile away. It actually is right next to the mosque. I can just see it, Hammami. It's got a blue sign, so it's going to be an interesting experience. Azerbaijani massage, let's have it. There you go. Just to the right of that mosque you can just see the domes on the top of the buildings coming out now, the red ones. Here it is people, this is actually a very nice site. I don't know if you can see, you've got the flame towers of Baku, so obviously that's the city centre, that's the modern part. Here, not so modern, but obviously we've got the mosque on the left, and then can you see that blue sign people? Hammam. But it's got an I on the end, so maybe in the Azerbaijani language it might be Hammami. But just a random building next to the mosque. Some street in Baku, let's have it. So, don't know if this is the door, it doesn't look like it's being used. It's not open. Oh, guys, is it actually working? Is it in use? Might have to ask somebody. Seems like quite a big hammam if it's this whole building. Let's see if there's an entrance here. Nope. Well, there we go then. How do I get into the hammam? Well, that's definitely not it. You've got the Kishi salon, which is the barber, not open. And there's literally no entrance to the hammam. Brilliant. This is hammam. Это hammam.
Не работает.
Не работает. Есть другой, недалеко. А, окей. Как это? Там. Это?
Buradan geçti.
Yeah.
Sola mı sola?
Yeah.
Ha. Çek gene bana.
Şurada,
Atsı,
yanında.
atsı da na
O
pravedzi.
başa şurada ama da bir daha
Sen de
çaştırma, bir daha çaştırma.
Mesela.
Prama,
Mam bu çaldı.
bir daha periklostuk. Keçtun,
Yeah.
periklostuk. Keçtun,
Ah, two. Okay. Okay.
sola.
Как это?
Aha.
Atsı da.
Tamam.
Atsı da.
Başa sağ çaştırma.
So there we go, people. That's how friendly the people are in Baku. So the directions were and So now we've done one then we've got two more, something like that. I don't know. And then to the left. Well, we're having an absolute nightmare, people. Here was me saying, oh yeah, let's go to this Hammam, blah blah blah. That one's closed. Can't find the other one. And the other ones that there are in Baku are in the city centre. I don't really want to do that because I feel like they can be really expensive and they're not so authentic, so I'm gonna have to come up with a plan B. Okay people, so we're basically in the taxi now and I think he's just told me that he's gonna take me to the place that he does his massages, which is nice to know because obviously he's a local, so he won't be going to the tourist spots. I believe that's what he said, so hopefully it all works out and he doesn't charge me too much as well, because he already knows I'm from England. Here we are people, I'm really glad about this because look, it's a completely local area, not in the city centre, and it's a 100% traditional hammam. So people, we can see we've got the towels there hanging up, drying. So I'm here people, taxi driver didn't have enough change and so he's going to take me back as well, and yeah, there's only women here that do the massage, so I can't really record that, that's a bit dodgy, you know. So anyway, I'm just waiting now. She's run off with my phone to check the COVID passport. Literally, she just ran off with it. Oh. But it's very traditional. Well people, here we are. So it's going to be 36 manat for scrub and soap, I think. So yeah, we've got the towels. These are like the similar ones that you find in Turkey. We've got the scrub. Doesn't seem like such a common thing to do here in Azerbaijan, to be honest, because like normally the masseurs already have them. It's kind of like you need to buy them separately or something. So yeah, I thought it would be more common basically, but they're not actually that common. But anyway, at least we're experiencing it. So soon I'm going to go through here in 5 minutes. We've got the shower already running, that's hot, and then that's where I will be massaged. So yeah, interesting one, really interesting one. Get these shoes off, we've got the slippers, we've got all of that soap, Lark beauty soap, and then here is the bath sponge. Taxi driver just poked his head around, he just walked in, he was like, everything good? Yeah, thank you very much, like, you drove me here, now like, as I'm basically stripping off, maybe like don't walk in. Okay, so hopefully nobody else walks in on me. Oh, we're going in. So I'm going to get in this shower. I've got this, I've also got my shorts on just for extra protection, but I'll put this around me as well. So yeah, obviously not going to record this because just a bit. Ow. Well there we go people, that was actually pretty good. Loads of dead skin. If you saw the massage video from Turkey, like there was quite a lot, but nothing compared to this one. So maybe this sponge is a little bit different. Don't think so, to be honest. Am I just a dirty young boy? Okay people, well that was an Azerbaijani massage experience. Kind of basic to be fair, but very effective. So that's how they do it here in Azerbaijan. Scrub, soap, and then they're ready to face life again. Yep. So people, they're just giving me some tea, but just before we go I want to show you this. So we've got the teapot on top, and then actually in there's some sort of coal, so that's obviously creating all the heat. Look at everybody looking at me, it's like I'm famous or something. And then the tea comes out of there as well. Как называется это? Okay, there we go people, I'm not going to try and pronounce it again, you heard it there. Azerbaijani, da?
Da.
Wow. So now people, I told him I would like a Azerbaijani glass. Like they're very unique, kind of like the ones in Turkey but a little bit different. so you can drink your tea, which obviously they're called chai. Same in quite a few different languages, you can call it chai. And yeah, so actually it's a good idea, because in the city centre they would be much more expensive, because obviously they're probably for tourists. So now that we're outside the city centre, let's see if we can find a shop that has some nice glasses, or in Russian, stakan. Jahal, the best taxi.
Jalal.
Oh, sorry. Что?
Jalal.
Jalal. Okay, pardon me. The best taxi driver in Baku. Here we are. Jalal.
Michael'la biz tanış oldu. Познакомились Michael'ım.
Hey.
Apardım, getirdim. Hoşum Michael'la dost oldu. Друзья стали Michael'ım.
Okay.
Привет, London.
Привет, London. Привет, Angli. That's how we do it.
Azerbaycan'dan. Azerbaycan, Baku.
Okay, so he's told me go with this guy and he's going to show me where the stakans are, the glasses. Oh wow, you can buy glasses in here?
Один штук?
Да, один. Got all sorts of things in here. Okay, другой или нет?
Нет,
Есть это.
одинаковые, просто хочу.
Или это тоже?
Это 6 штук.
6 манат.
И 6 штук, да? Такой 6, один.
Один манат.
А это 1 манат.
Вау.
Это 6 манат.
Нравится
Вот
это.
такой тоже. 4 манат. 6 штук. Раз, два, три.
Окей, это.
Это вот.
Да. Окей, тоже. И тоже можно видеть, что это.
Это ковер, да?
Правый.
Это под ногами, под этой.
Традиционный Азербайджан?
Это?
Да.
Да. Эти. Национальные.
Из Азербайджана.
Не, турецкий.
Турец.
Турция.
А, Турция.
Да.
Турция.
Окей.
Окей, только стакан. Спасибо вам. Bye. Well people, what an absolute find that was. Literally, I'll show you what we've got and I'll explain the costs and everything like that.
Michael.
Да. Очень много стаканов. Только 4 и это 1.
И 4.
Это 4, все. И 1.
6. 6.
6.
6,
А, да, 6 есть, но манат 4, все.
Хорошо, да?
Да, очень хорошо. Да.
Окей.
Спасибо.
Burada.
Да, я отдыхаю.
Git.
Okay. Спасибо. Okay people, so this is what we've got. I'm on the balcony right now. This was only 1 manat, which is literally about 45p. Nice traditional one. Sometimes they have handles, sometimes they don't. But I was like, come on, for 45p, I've got to take that home. And then these ones, which are my favourite because they're just the most common and pretty nice, no handles. 6 for 4 manat, which is about £1.80 more or less. £1.80 for 6 glasses. Really nice. Good. Why did I just smell that?